U.S. troops debuted in 2000. Invented by an IDF medic, the device is designed to stop the bleeding of traumatic hemorrhage wounds. It is the only device of its kind that utilizes a patented pressure applicator to exert approximately 30 pounds of pressure at the wound site. The original and patented closure bar at the end of the cloth leader secures the wrap. Various styles are available, which we will discuss in a few moments, and practically any type of wound can be wrapped with the bandage. The emergency bandage is the bandage of choice for U.S. and international military units. It is also found a home in EMS, industrial, and hospital arenas. Due to its versatility, the bandage eliminates the need for 4x4 dressings, Curlex, sticks, etc. That is a savings of money and space and an increase. All styles of the emergency bandage have the same key components: one sterile non-adherent pad or primary dressing, one latex-free elasticized cloth leader or secondary dressing, one high-performance pressure applicator, and one closure bar to secure the wrap.